Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at Judge Dredd, the vinyl kit. And this is actually from HALCYON. This is kit HT16. So here on the front, per se, side of the box, we can see here kind of a image of the character, logo, and a lot of background art and the vinyl kit. If we continue looking around the box, the art continues. And on the back, you can see here a bit of a description. Again, where this has been made, distribution points, and you need paint and glue, not included. And this is a collector's item, not a toy. And then age recommendations, some more information in multiple languages. And this is from 1993. Egmont H. Peterson von Gutenberghaus, licensed by CPL, licensed to model Rectifier Corp for the USA by, and then a sticker that says Surge. More information on this side of the HALCYON versus the Judge Dredd side. If we carefully turn over to the bottom, we can see a barcode and the way this box is kind of folded in. If we look on the top, just kind of a head helmet picture there. And here we actually have a Toys R Us price sticker. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Art continues on those little flat pieces. We have some instructions. Let's see if we can take all the pieces out. More paperwork. And a bag of pieces, and that's it. So the base, as you can see again, this is vinyl PVC. And it's actually kind of rough at the bottom. So that might need some work there. Let's see what we have here. So this is actually just a 1994 dated sheet. As you can see there, PVCA material, which allows a much better degree of detail when modeling figure kits. So that was the information provided at the time. And here is the actual instruction pamphlet, and it's in the comic book form too, but gives you a lot of the accompanying text instructions here. It even has a parts checklist and kind of an illustration how it would look completed. And there's a painting guide, as well as materials needed to actually complete the kit, including some tools, and even looks like a 2-part epoxy putty and or some plaster of Paris. So quite a bit going on there. Here we have a look at the actual pieces themselves. I'm not going to take all of them out, but we'll take a look at some of them for the level of detail. So you can see the shoulder portions there, molding of the clothing, including the folds of the clothing. Let's see what else we got here. Belt piece area, pouches with different fastenings. As you can see, there is going to be quite a bit of trim needed on these pieces. Similarly here. And here's another shoulder piece. And we actually have a one-piece head. So you can see how that looks. And just some other random pieces. They're all hollow because of the way these were cast. And again, a lot of these are going to need quite a bit of trim, but they did give you quite a bit of leeway to work with. And you see here the wide stance of the lower portion of the figure. And again, kind of how it looks when completed there versus the parts breakdown. So taking a quick look here at Judge Dredd, the vinyl kit. This has been another episode from Just Scale Models. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos, as well as some show and tell videos and selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all these out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.